Yo, and what's up guys, and welcome back again to another video of Clash of Clans. In this video I will show you how you can watch replays of yourself, your friends, or even your enemies. So for example, let's say that you did an attack. For example, let's go and attack someone, find the match, and just like so we found this village. So let's attack it, for example, and we will attack it from here, put some healers in here and the king over here like that, and let's throw these brawlers over there. So as you can see, just for the sake of this tutorial I will just do whatever and to just finish the game just to get the replay as fast as possible. So now let's keep healing these brawlers until we break into the village. Let's put this in here and let's just put this wherever it can be, like this one. He will die anyway, but yeah, okay. So for example, you did this great, I don't know, it's not that great it's not great at all, but let's say that you did a great attack on someone's village and you wanted to share it with your friends or to watch the replay by yourself. How can you do it? It's really pretty simple. All you can do, for example, let's end this game by clicking on end button and go return home. After doing so, let's click on later and click OK in here. So you can click on this message or the box mail in here. After doing so, you will have those two defense attack log. You can watch the replay if the attack was on the same version of Clash of Clans that you are using currently. For example, let's say that I have attacked your village yesterday and the Clash of Clans company or game itself updates itself today. So you can't watch my replay because your game is updated, so you will not be able to watch my replay, or else you can watch my replay if we are on the same version. So for example, I did this replay now, so by clicking on replay in here I can just go ahead and watch this replay like so. I can speed it up from here, I can pause it, you can make your analysis, you can fix what's wrong and what's good, or what's the better thing you could do in this situation, and much more. And also if your friend sent you anything in here from replays or stuff like that, you would be able to see it as well, but again you have to be on the same version of Clash of Clans. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that's it with today's video.